Developing good study habits is essential for success in academic and professional life. Here are some tips for developing effective study habits. Set specific goals. Identify what you want to achieve through your studies and set clear, specific goals to help you stay focused. Make a study schedule. Set a regular study schedule and stick to it as much as possible. This will help you build a routine and create a habit of studying regularly. Create a suitable study environment. Make sure you have a quiet and well-lit study environment with no distractions. Take breaks. Take short, frequent breaks during your study sessions to avoid burnout and increase productivity. Practice active learning. Instead of just reading and highlighting, try to actively engage with the material by taking notes, summarizing, or discussing it with others. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for help from teachers, peers, or tutors when you need it. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time to increase productivity and reduce stress. Stay motivated. Find ways to stay motivated and interested in your studies, such as setting rewards for yourself, working with study partners, or finding a mentor. Take care of yourself, eat well, exercise, and get enough rest to ensure your mind and body are in the best condition for learning.